Just a short video to show this Dyson V6 vacuum cleaner. This is serial number JZ3-UK-HEK0127A. It's in full working order. It comes with official wall mount and power supply. You will need a couple of screws and wall plugs yourself for that. A replacement brand new combination tool, a replacement brand new crevice tool. Dyson brush head. I've taken this apart and fully cleaned it. The wand has a couple of scratches on it, nothing serious, but just worth a mention. And then the main motor unit with bin. I've washed the filter, I've washed the head, and I've washed the bin. This also comes with a brand new 4000 mAh battery. Two modes. No light is economy mode and the battery will last longer. Pressing max makes maximum boost mode, and the battery, it's more powerful, but the battery doesn't last long on that mode. To empty, simply when it's full, put it over a container, pull down, and the bottom opens, empty all the rubbish out. Just show it working quickly. I won't put it on the carpet because I don't want to clean the vacuum cleaner yet. So it's in full working order. Any questions, please ask. Thank you.